Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're opening up a limited edition Glossybox. So this is their limited edition summer essentials box. So I just checked online, it looks like this is sold out. The cost for it is $30 for subscribers and $35 for non-subscribers. So what they mean is a subscription to Glossybox. If you guys don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription that costs $21 per month. I do have a code to share with you all. It's not affiliated, meaning I don't make money, it's just to help you out, and you can save 22%. So if you're interested in Glossybox, I will link down below their website along with that promo code and my most recent unboxing. So yeah, let's see what is inside here. I'm super excited. I did open it because I wasn't sure if there was going to be like a box, like the pink box that comes in the regular Glossybox, but I didn't look at any of the items. You can kind of see one, but other than that, nope. But before we get started, real quick, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. So if you also love subscription boxes and beauty boxes especially, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We currently have a giveaway going on, so if you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video. But now on to the Summer Essentials box. So when I open it, this is what it looks like. Oh, maybe all the items are in this little trunk case. How cute. And then there's a card. I actually prefer this in a box. It shows it right on there. So it talks about all the items. And it says, pack your bags, Glossies. We totally fooled you in April, but this Glossy bag is no joke. Packed with the things we love, the skincare we adore, and the summer essentials you need, the limited edition bag of beauty is a perfect companion to your summer vacay or staycay. Every step of the way, don't forget to hydrate. Hashtag stay glossy. Well, it looks like we got more in here than usual, and it's not too much more expensive than the regular box. And it looks like next month is their birthday, and it says, surprise, next month we're celebrating our birthday and we couldn't be more excited. So they have an incredible box waiting for us and an even more exciting announcement. Ooh, I love surprises. So another incentive to subscribe if you want to. But let's start with the case. Oh, what does it say, Glossybox on it? I love that. I love trunk cases. These are so convenient, but this one's so cute. I just saw something that's in here and I'm so excited. We'll have to open that first once I open this. Oh my god, I'm having such a good unboxing day. Okay, so I don't even think they list this little bag on here, so I wonder if this is considered like an extra, like this glossy bag, trunk bag. They don't even include the cost, but this definitely has, you know, a retail value of something not super cheap. Let's open it. Ooh. Sneak peek, there's some sunglasses. But let's start with that item I saw. Oh my god, look. There's so many good things in here, you guys. Just wait. Oh man, this is so cute and tiny, but I am so excited, and it's really weird because I actually referenced this perfume in the video I recorded just before this. But look, it's Arizona, my favorite perfume that I am out of. This is by Proenza Schuler. And oh my god, this is so cute. So it's not like a sample, it's like the smallest little size, 5 milliliters. Oh, it looks like it's shaped, yeah, it's called a deluxe mini. Oh yeah, it's shaped just like the full-size bottle, but smaller. I just sprayed another new perfume I got on me, so I'm just gonna sniff it. I miss this scent. You guys, this perfume is so good. I was chatting with one of you guys the other day and it was on sale in Birchbox, and I'm like, I know, but I don't have, I don't have the money to buy it, so I'm so happy it came into my life still. Yay! So this little mini size has a value of $15. The full size is $100. Fragrance is expensive, so even though this is tiny, it'll last a little while, and that's why it's, but anyways, backed by popular demand, this fragrance is summer in a bottle. Notes of white cactus flower takes you on an adventure through the senses, and is perfect for the warm getaway season. And then they give you a tip for all the items. And it's telling you where to place your perfume, the neck, wrist, and other hotspot areas for optimal scent distribution. Okay, one more sniff before we move on to the next item. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. All right, how about we talk about the sunglasses next, since we saw those? And they look super cute. Check them out. These are by Velvet. Is it the fashion brand? I had a top by them, I think, or I used to. I don't think I fit in it anymore. It was like a strapless top, super cute. Might be a different company. They're like cat eye shape. Okay, this is a different company than what I was talking about. Velvet Eyewear. When there's no shade, sunglasses are your best go-to. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays with this cute accessory. Strike a pose glossies. Wow, these have a value of $55. They do seem nice. Let's get this off in the middle and try them on. It's pretty late. I'm filming way later than usual. I don't know why I always happen to like plan my filming days on Thursdays. It just works out that way, and that's when landscaping comes and they're outside for like hours, so I usually film late because I'm not good at mornings activities, even though I've been up since 5. These are cute. For a second I was like, oh gosh, my makeup, but I've had this makeup on for about 10 hours, so it's already looking a little rough. But I like these, and they've got like this cool, like not tortoise shell, but like brown detail on the bottom. Can you guys see that there? So that makes them different too than my other ones. But I love sunglasses. I can't believe some people don't wear them out of the house or like when they're driving. Like I wear sunglasses every time I leave my house, so I'm always happy to have more. And it did come with a little travel case as well, which is a cute color. Wow, $55. We have something here from Becca. This is the Liquid Crystal Lip Topper, Glow Gloss, Citrine, and Apricot. Oh, Citrine and Apricot, I think, is the shade. Let's get this out. A transformative lip topper infused with color-shifting crystalline, like pearls that optically enhance the lips to create an otherworldly lip glow. Suspended in a conditioning gloss formula, this combination of kaleidoscope pearl shifts shades. This combination of kaleidoscope pearls shifts shades as it catches the light. I don't know why it sounded funny when I was reading that. Ooh, it's like the bottom of it's like a test tube kind of, like it doesn't sit up straight. I mean, I guess you could store it like this. Yes, that. Let's do a little swatch. This is definitely full size. Yeah, and it's $22. Wow, no wonder this sold out so fast. They always have really good limited edition boxes, and I love that they give a discount to subscribers. Ooh, this is pretty. It seems like it does have a little bit of a scent. Pretty. I love it. Yay. I just put gloss on. I'm gonna take a tissue. I think I got most of my gloss I had on already off. Let's try this out. I'm so excited. I don't think I've heard of this product. Have you guys? But I think glosses are perfect for summer, so it's great they included this. I like this. It's not like, I just made that noise. It wasn't like the lip gloss at all. But it's not sticky. That was my point of that motion there. It's pretty nice. Love lip gloss. Oh, cool. I think I've tried this before and I liked it. This is like a deluxe size of the Professional Extra Whitening System by Super Smile. I think I got this exact mini set in a past test tube beauty box, and it's in triple mint. So there's a toothpaste and an accelerator in here, and you put just like a pea-sized amount of each onto your toothbrush and brush like normal. And I could totally use something like this because my teeth are looking a little rough, all that coffee consumption. Not so much wine lately because I'm on my health kick, but lots of coffee. So I could totally use this, and I'm not good about using like strips because they bother my teeth, but like whitening toothpaste I'm all about. So I'm excited to try these. And I think this brand is pretty expensive. Yeah, Deluxe Minis by Super Smile. So actually $12 for the mini set, the full size. It is expensive. I was $150, so my memory was correct. So happy to use the minis, but damn, $150? It says clinically proven to deliver an average of 2 shades whiter teeth after 1 brushing. I should go brush my teeth before I film another video. This duo is perfect for a last minute session before the perfect selfie. Next up, Tangled Teaser. Oh cool, detangling hairbrush for fine, color treated, and distressed hair. Are they describing my hair? Fine and fragile. Well, it's been a while since I had any color treatment. 5 times less hair breakage, recommended by the International Trichology Congress. Made me think of trichomonas. I don't know why. You guys know what I'm talking about, ew. Innovative 2-tiered teeth are super soft but confidently detangle and help reduce breakage. Let's just get it off. We don't need to use it all. Hi, Archer. Oh, so they put a flag for what type of... Oh, the flag is a language. At first I thought the different flags on the back meant something, but it's just different languages. And honestly, this is probably like UK or Britain. Don't hate me if I don't know. Just shut up. So here's the back. And then, nice. I don't have, like I have brushes obviously, but not something like this. My hair obviously isn't tangled right now, but I could use a brush. Works nicely. I think this would be considered full size, right? Let's find it. Yep, full size, retail value of $12. With super gentle, flexible teeth, the world's favorite detangler glides through wet or dry hair with no pulling and less breakage. Yeah, there wasn't any pulling at all. Start by gently combing the bottom part of your hair and work your way up until all your hair is detangled. That just brought back a weird memory that I just feel the need to share with you guys. I remember when I had an American Girl doll, well I had several of them when I was little, and I learned that's how you're supposed to brush hair because I like really messed up my doll's hair, and I think I had to like send it to their like hospital. Do you guys remember that? If you guys had American Girl dolls, you're around my age, like if there's anything that went wrong with your doll, you can like send it like in and get fixed or whatever, and they would like send it back in a hospital gown. Wow. Anyways, let's move on to the next item before I just ramble on. Oh yay, I have this already in the same size, and I know I'll go through it fast because I really like it. This is by Oribe. It's their Après-Speech Wave and Shine Spray. Oribe is an expensive brand, so I'm always glad to get stuff like this, even if it's small. Yeah, this deluxe size, which is 30 milliliters, is $10. The full size is $44. It says the Salon Standard Shine Spray is formulated without parabens or sodium chloride and is color and keratin treatment safe, perfect for smooth, tousled, and moisturized hair without the salty stiffness. Yay, I would love like beachy waves. One day I'll learn how to achieve that. We still have 2 items left. This is by Skin Glow London Glow Mask. Oh, it's an eye mask, nice. Turmeric and vitamin C to combat dark circles and discoloration. It also has hyaluronic acid, which delivers deep hydration for fine lines and wrinkles. So shiny. Wow, this is $10. Say goodbye to tired dark circles and hello to fresh luminous under eyes with these hydrogel patches. Packed with turmeric to combat discoloration and hyaluronic acid for moisture, and the tip is to put it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. I need to get my little skin fridge, like mini skin fridge, skincare fridge, back up in action. I forgot about that. And the last item is by Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. I've never heard of this. Is that the brand? So the travel size is $5.99 and the full size is $26. It says, from the secrets of Egypt comes an all-purpose cream with serious powers. This legendary moisturizing balm is created with a blend of 100% natural ingredients like olive oil and honey and can be used all over the body, including your lips, cuticles, and hair. Wow. Oh, it kind of looks like a balm. Is that, I don't know if that's focusing. Yeah, it feels like it too. I can't tell if there's a fragrance, but all-purpose, like they said, yeah. Lips, face, and body. Put some on my hands. As I put some on my cuticles. Nice. You guys, I think this was 100% worth $30/$35. This was great. I had so much fun unboxing it. So again, this is sold out as of now. I will link their website down below. I'm not sure if it will come back in stock. But again, if you are interested in subscribing to Glossybox, I have that 22% off code. And apparently next month is going to be an extra special box. I think last year their birthday box was really good. I can't remember what was in it, but I remember thinking it was really good. Do you guys remember? If so, let me know down below what was in it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.